Hi friends, welcome to all of you in Basic Vedic Mathematics Course. In our last session, what we did? In our last session, we did the squaring of numbers which are near base, in particular 2 and 3 digits. Squaring of numbers which were near base, in particular 2 and 3 digits. I hope you have practiced the exercises given by me and you found it very nice to do, very easy to do. So today, what I am going to do? Today I am going to do again the squaring by a spatial method. The squaring by a spatial method where, we have seen earlier near ending in 5, we have seen the numbers, squaring of the numbers which are near base. Now this time it is any kind of number by a spatial method, and we will see that it will become very interesting for you. Well, to do this, the first thing which you have to remember are algebraic formula which you have done in your school is that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. All of you remember it. It's a very initial formula, algebraic formula. So if there is a number, any number given, say for example, the number is given as ab, as we write 20, 23, 25, 26, so a and b, it can be written in this form of a plus b whole square where the answer will become a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if I take any example, say for example I write 23 square, we can do square of 23 by different modes, different methods, right? But let us try to do this by this method here. And to do this, considering this as a and considering this as b, we can write a square means 4 and 2ab means 2 into 3 and b square means 3 into 3 means 3 square, that's equal to 9. But try to understand it here. If you take the place value of these numbers, here 2 is a digit, but the place value of 2 is 20. So if we are making a square of it, we are actually getting 20 square, and 20 square is 400. 20 square is 400. And here we are writing 2 into 3. In particular, we are writing 2 into 20 into 3. That means what? This will become 2 into 20 is 40 plus 3 is 120. I think you understand it. 2ab, right? So a here is not 2 but 20. 2 into 20 is 40 into 3 is 120 plus 3 square is equal to 9. So the answer becomes 500. 400 plus 120 plus 9 is 529. And indeed, the square of 23 is 529, right? Square of 23 is 529. So what we did, I explain it once again. This is written as 23 square is what? 2 square plus 2ab plus b square. So in case of 2, we will write here not 2 square but 20 square, which is 400, and then 2 into 20 into 3, that is 120, taking the place values, actual values, and 3 is 9, so 9, answer is 529. But this is what is the internal thing. If you continue to do like this, things will become very big. So how can I do it simply in Vedic mathematics? We will do it very simply without writing all these things. Okay? So let us do it. Let us try to see the problem. Say 23 square, you just write down here 2 square, don't take 20 but take 2. 2 square is 4, and then 2ab is 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. I write 1 here, I will tell you why I am writing here 1, and then there is 2, and then there is 3 square is 9. I write it here. The answer is 529. You have seen earlier also that 23 square is 529. But the entire mystery is lying in this, how I am writing in this. So you can very easily do without doing those 20 square and then all the 2 into 20 into 3, all that, nothing is to be done. Just write down. So what I have done, now follow this, follow me very clearly. In this number 23, it can be written as 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. Now here, the 20 has got 1 0. 20 has got 1 0. The moment 20 has got 1 0, all the numbers that you will write here should move by one space. Shift one space. How? I tell you. Now 2 square is 4. I have written as it is. Now 2 into 2 into 3 is 2 to the 4 into 3 is 12. While writing 12, I shift one space in the right side. So 2 here and 1 here. The same thing I am writing 2 into 2 into 3, 12, shifting by one space. And the third, next part, the b square is 9. Again I shift by one space. So instead of writing below 2, I am writing just at the right side of it. Now we add it column wise 9, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 29, and that is the square of the number 23. So instead of doing 20 plus 3 square, you may get 65 square. Again you have to multiply 60 square, then 2 into 60 into 5. Rather than doing it, we can do this by this method very easily. I will show you other examples where it will become clear to you if it's not yet. Say for example 32 square. So I'll write here 30 plus 2, which later on not needed. You can just see it that 30 has got 1 0 in it. Remember it. Now a square is, you just write down 3 square is 9. You can do it mentally also later on. 3 square is 9. Then 2 into 3 into 2 is 12. But the moment I write 12, I will shift by one space because there is 1 0. So 12 means 1 here and 2 here. And then 2 square is equal to 4. That 4 I will shift by one space. And the answer is 1024. And indeed 32 square is 1024. Are you getting my point? Well, now let us do what I have done again. I am telling you 32 is 30 plus 2. So there is 1 0. Now 3 square is 9 right here. 2 into 3 into 2 is 12. Shift by one space and write like this. And then 2 square 4, shift by one space and you write 4 here. Then we just add these numbers 1024. Later on you can mentally see it. 9, 1, 2 is at the right side, 9, 1, 2, then 4. 4 is the last. So 2, 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 24. Otherwise also you can write 1 or 2 things here and you can get the result very easily without any problem, without any issue at all. Well, let us see the next problem. I'll write the formula here because if you forget it, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Well, let me take the next question. 89 square. Here, 89 square, the moment you write 89, it is 80 plus 9 square. Right? So we'll do a square plus 2ab plus b square means 8 square. 8 square is 64. And then 2 into 8 into 9. How much? 144. And there is 1 0 here. We'll shift by one space. 144. Write 4 here, 14 here. And then 9 square is equal to 81. will shift by one space here, 81. Answer is 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 6, 1, 7. So 7, 9, 2, 1 is the answer. I think you have followed it. Shifting by one space, shift by one space. Right? Instead of writing below this or below this, we are shifting by one space, writing 14. Here again 81, shift by one space, writing 81 like this, and you get the answer. It's very simple, 89 square. Let us do another problem. Say we are going to find out 37 square. 37 square, 37 is 30 plus 7 square. So here you need not write it, just remember it. 3 square is 9. You need not write it again. As I told you earlier also, it's all once you will do it without writing. 3 square is 9, so you just write 9. Then 2 into 3 into 7, 3 to the 6 into 7 is 42. There is 1 0, shift by one space, 42. And then 7 square is 49, shift by one space, 9 here, 4 here. Answer is 9, 6, 1, 3, 6, 9, that's all. You just keep on writing and that is the answer, 1, 3, 6, 9. So what you have done here? Actually it is 3 square is equal to 9. It's 2 into 3 into 7 is equal to 42 and it's 7 square is equal to 49. Answer is 1, 3, 6, 9. Well, let's do the next problem. 112 square. Well, here there are two things. There are two things you have to remember. This can be written as 100 plus 12 square. This can also be written as 110 plus 2 square. And we can get the answer from both the ways by the same method that we have done. 112 can be written as 100 plus 12 square. 112 can be written as 110 plus 2 square. We can take any of these, we'll get the same answer. Well, so let us first take this one. Take this one. Here it is 100 plus 12. We have seen all the difference here is in the 100, number 100, there are 2 zeros. And here in 110, there is 1 0. That is the difference. And that will make all the difference while creating the answer. So the first part, if we take 100 means what? You are taking 1 as A and 12 as B. Are you getting my point? Here I am taking this 112 square is equal to A plus B. You are writing like this. So here I will apply this. So in this first case, 1 square is how much? 1. Then 2 into 1 into 12 is equal to how much? 24. But here, see that there are 2 zeros here. If there are 2 zeros means we will shift by 2 spaces. So we'll write 2, 4 here. Nothing below 1. 2, 4. And then 12 square is equal to 144 and you have to shift by 2 space. So write 1 here and 44 here. Answer is 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. I'll explain it again. 112 square can be written as 100 plus 12 square. It can also be written as 110 plus 2 square. This we'll see later on. First this part. Here 112 square, we are taking A as 1 and B as 12. So A as 1, A square is 1. 2AB, 2 into 1 into 12 is 24. But here there is 2 zeros. We'll shift this, place this, shifting 2 spaces. So write down 2, 4, not below 1. And then 12 square, 144, shift by 2 spaces after this. Here again after this. here after this 144, 2 spaces. Now we add it column wise. 4, 4, 5, 4, 1, 1, 2, 5, 4, 4, right? But if I take this part, if I take it as 110 plus 2, then I am taking what? This as 112, I am taking 11 as A and 2 as B. Means what? I am writing 11 plus 2 A plus B whole square. Here only difference will be this and the answer will become the same. So the first part of the answer is, first space 11 square, A square is 11 square, 11 square is 121 and then 2 into 11 is how much? 44. Here one space, you have to leave one space. So 44 here 4 and 4. One space shifted. Then 2 square, 2 square. Here again 2 square is 4 and 4 you have to keep one space shifted. So one place here. One space here after 4 one space. Add it 4, 4, 5, 2, 1, the same answer 1 to 5, 4, 4. So what we have done in this case, we have considered this as 110 plus 2 and then we have written it as 11 plus 2 whole square A plus B whole square. 11 square is 121. Then 2 into 2 into 1, 2AB is 44, but here there is 10. You have to shift this answer by one digit. You written 44 like this, then 2 square is equal to 4, answer is 1 to 5, 4, 4. That means what? We can follow any one of this. We can take any way, we can write it 100 plus 12 means 11 plus 2 whole square, or you can write 1 plus 12 whole square. In both the ways the answer will become the same, only the shifting of the placement of the number you have to remember very carefully, because that is the place where you are likely to be confused. But if you practice it, there will be no confusion. After some time you will understand it and you can do any problem very easily without any difficulty at all. So we have seen some problems, but let me see just one more problem. 122 square. Similar problem I just want to see. 122 square, so I will take any one of these methods. So I will first take, say for example, I take it as 1 plus 22. A plus B whole square. 1 plus 22 means actually what? It's 100 plus 22. This is what I mean internally. Now what we will be doing, we will follow this. We need not, this is, you have to just remember. Just follow this. A square is 1. Write down 1 here. 2 into A into B is 2 into 1 into 22, which is equal to 44. Now when you take 2 zeros means what? There are 2 spaces, so we will shift here and write 44 here, and then 22 square. 22 square incidentally is 484, and there are 2 shift. So 484 means write down 84 here and write down 4 here. So answer should be 84, 8, 4, 1, 4, 8, 8, 4. I think you have understood it. 1 square is 1. Now when you take 1 means its place value is 100. So there are 2 zeros in the place value. So the next number, next result, 2 into 1 into 22, 44, we should place it shifting 2 spaces from number 1. And then 22 square is 484, shift by 2 spaces and then write 4 here and you get the 148224. Now here, see the difference. 22 square, you may not remember. You should remember, but you may not remember. If you would have done it the other way around, if you write it 12 plus 2 whole square, here the place value is 120 plus 2 and there is 1 0 here, and it's easy for you to add square of 12, 144, square of 2, 4, both are easy. So you can write here 12 square is equal to 144. 2 into 2 into 12, 44. So there is 1 0, 1 space to be left here, 44. And 2 square is 4 again, 1 space is to be left. Answer again is the same, 4 4 8 4 1 1 4 8 4 4. I think you have understood it. This is a very interesting problem. So I'll do another problem which is again very interesting. So it becomes very easy for doing the squaring of any two-digit numbers very easily, right? Provided you understand it and practice it. 201 square. 201 square. So let me take it as what? A as 20 and B as 1 square. A plus B whole square. But the only thing is this, when you set 20 here, how many zeros are there in the base? This is the one part which is very, very important, which you have to remember, right? So I'll first do it the other way around. So that will make you things more clear. Right here, 2 plus 0 1 square. The 201. And the question was 201 square. I am writing A as 2. B as 0 1, right? Now here 2 means what? It has got 2 zeros in it. Place value is 200 plus 0 1 square in actually. So there are 2 zeros in it. Let me do it. 2 square, S square is equal to 4. Then 2 into 0 1 means 1, and that's equal to 4. Now there are 2 zeros here, we require shifting by 2, so 0 4, 2 to the 4, we have to write here 0 and then 4 because there are only one digit, but there are 2 spaces to be covered, so 0 4 and then 0 1 square is nothing but 1. Again here we require to leave 2 spaces, so we write here 0 1. 0 1 square is 1. Now we require 2 spaces to be covered, so write shifted by 2, 0 1, the answer is what? 1 0 4 0 4, 4 0 4 0 1. It's very interesting. I've taken 201, A as 2 and B as 0 1. Now here the place value of this is 200, so what you do is S square is 4, 2AB is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 is 4, but there are 2 zeros shifted by 2, so 0 4. Beyond this 4 you have shifted by 2 numbers, 2 digits, 0 4, and here 1 square, 0 1 square is 1 square is 1, again you have to shift by 2, after 4 0 1, add it column wise 1 0 4 0 4, 4 0 4 0 1. I think I've understood. This becomes very easily you can do this. The other way around also, we can also do the other way. The 20 plus 1, then again the same thing will happen. So we have seen that you can do the squaring of numbers by the special method of applying the algebraic formula A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, right? And by doing that, we can very easily do the squaring of numbers, right? So we have done today, what we have done today, we have seen the special method applying the formula A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, and by that we can do the squaring of numbers easily just by remembering the method, the process involved in it. So you need to be very careful while doing the problem so that you can practice it, so that there may not be any confusion at all. So let me give you some questions to be done, some exercises to be done. Well, the exercise 27 square, 58 square, 76 square, 91 square, 105 square, 106 square, 110 square, 111 square, 202 square, 204 square, 211 square, and 301 square. The same way you can do it very easily. Just practice this. Just practice this. Do it, and then practice it as many as numbers you can think of. You just practice it so that you can become proficient in doing this. But as I tell you always, if you have got any problem, any difficulty, any question, please do write in the comments box so that I will be able to respond to your question. Don't feel shy about it. Well, so if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Hit the bell icon and share it with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics. So now, what I am going to do next time, we have done the squaring of numbers by 3 different methods, right? So now, the next session, I am going to do not square but square root of numbers. Well, in particular, we'll do the square root of numbers which are perfect square numbers. The square root of perfect square numbers. That is what we're going to do in our next session. So till the time we meet you again with my new session, thank you very much. All the best. Please take care of yourself.